Let's discuss best practices of managing direct cost in manufacturing industry. 1. Accurate tracking of direct costs. Manufacturing companies should track all direct costs associated with each product, including raw materials, labor, and any other direct expenses. Accurate tracking of direct costs is crucial for determining the exact cost of each product and setting competitive prices. This process involves creating a system for tracking direct costs, which can include IT customization such as software for tracking expenses, and assigning key personnel such as accounting personnel responsible for tracking expenses. 2. Efficient inventory management. Inventory management is a critical aspect of managing direct costs. Manufacturing companies should keep track of their inventory levels to avoid overstocking and understocking. Overstocking can result in unnecessary holding costs, while understocking can lead to production delays and lost sales. Efficient inventory management involves identifying the optimal inventory levels for each product, which can be achieved through the use of IT customization such as inventory management software, and assigning key personnel such as inventory managers responsible for managing inventory levels. 3. Optimizing production processes. Manufacturing companies should regularly review their production processes to identify any inefficiencies or bottlenecks that may be driving up direct costs. By optimizing production processes, companies can reduce direct costs and increase efficiency. This process involves assigning key personnel such as process improvement specialists responsible for identifying inefficiencies and investing in IT customization such as process automation software. 4. Implementing cost-saving measures. Manufacturing companies can implement cost-saving measures such as bulk purchasing, supplier negotiation, and waste reduction to reduce direct costs. These measures can help lower the cost of raw materials, reduce labor costs, and minimize waste. This process involves assigning key personnel such as procurement specialists responsible for negotiating with suppliers and investing in IT customization such as supply chain management software. 5. Investing in technology. Manufacturing companies can invest in technology such as automation, robotics, and data analytics to reduce direct costs. Automation and robotics can help reduce labor costs, while data analytics can help identify areas where direct costs can be reduced. This process involves investing in IT customization such as automation and robotic software, and assigning key personnel such as data analysts responsible for analyzing data and identifying cost-saving opportunities. 6. Regularly reviewing pricing strategy. Manufacturing companies should regularly review their pricing strategy to ensure that they are pricing their products competitively while covering all their direct costs. Regularly reviewing pricing strategy can help ensure that manufacturing companies are making a profit while staying competitive in the market. This process involves assigning key personnel such as pricing analysts responsible for analyzing market trends and adjusting pricing strategies accordingly, and investing in IT customization such as pricing optimization software. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, please get in touch for any quick, managed business process and IT consulting needs.